Pat Skyraider on takeoff at Warwick Airport.
Okay.
Here we go.
Taking off.
What the hell is that?
A little,
What?
a little different than mine.
A little less sensitive?
No.
More sensitive?
It was. Maybe it's the balance.
It's killing me. Alright. Now I could show all those guys on RC Universe that my Skyraider actually does fly.
That flies nice. That's hands off.
I wish I could get the gear to go up and down like it's supposed to, but Banana Hobbies is cheap. Oh. Is he still on the field?
Somebody is.
When you land, try and... Oh, look at the beautiful rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow, yeah.
Flying to the rainbow. I wonder if I got that on video. Oh, pretty, pretty. Oh, a lot of authority.
Flies nice, Pop. Like the fly.
Okay, bring it in. I want to get the landing on video. Gary's already down.
What model is that?
That's a
Skyraider.
Blitz RC Skyraider.
Okay, where's the flaps down here?
Yeah. That's not the flaps, then.
Yes, it is.
I don't think it was. No, it wasn't. This is the flaps. You ready? I'll give you quarter flaps.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go, that's flaps. You're doing the middle knob, it's the other knob. Alright, there's an idiot out in the middle of the runway now.
Okay.
What is the Havilland? He's still in the middle of the runway.
Get him off the runway.
Gotta come in!
It's alright, we got time.